what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Noelle here today. Today we are going to be fixing my old slimes. So we're just going to be giving them like a makeover. Looking at my slimes right now, they not looking good. So I have a bowl in case you need to pour some slimes in the bowl. Looking at a lot of them, they look melted. Then I have a spoon to mix it up. And then I have a clear glue and another big clear glue just in case. I don't know. I just have it here. And I have Tide. So, yeah. First slime we're going to be doing today. What's this one? This is the worst of them all, actually. Yeah, this is not good. Half of it's like juicy, but then the other half is like, it's gross. Let me just say that. So, I'm opening it up. I'm like afraid. Ew. It's actually like nasty. Oh, there's a chunk. Oh wait, that was my charm that I put in there. Yeah, I put a charm in here. Turns out it's not, in the container it looked half solid, half melted, but it's actually all melted. Yeah, this is gonna take a while for it all to get out. So I got the slime in the bowl. It is really gross. And I cleaned out the container. So when it's done, we could just pour. Looks like we won't really need anything big. We just need like, that's because I kind of like the color. We're gonna need a lot of activators. So I'm using Tide. Just pour it in a little. Mixing it up. Come on, let's see if I could get a better angle. Sorry guys if this is like a little too close. Like I'm just using like what's around me to prop it up. Like this, my camera. So I'm just gonna mix it until it's like here. Let's do a time lapse. So guys, I fixed the slime. It's really like jiggly. Just gonna like dip my finger in a little bit of Tide. Just gonna spread it around. But other than that, and a little sticky, it's actually a really good slime. I love this. It's so clicky. Wait, ready? Hold on, let me mix in the Tide and then I'm gonna do a quick thing. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I know, it's so satisfying. And there's a little charm in it. A blue dolphin. And so I guess this slime was like a sea creature, ocean, dolphin, slime. Hold on, let me get you. This is what it looks like. So happy how this turned out. On to the next one. Next I have this black one in this really cute jar that I love, and it's melted. So what I'm gonna do with the same one as the one before, pour it in, activate it. It's actually like, I remember making this. I was making a YouTube video out of it. The video wasn't really good, so I didn't post it. Or did I? No, I didn't post it. So yeah. So there's it all poured in. Now I'm just gonna do a time lapse because adding this Tide will take a while, just like the other one did. So we'll start the time lapse. So that completes this black slime. I love the slime. It pokes really well too. Hold on, ready? Yeah, so that pokes really well. It stretches really nice. Crunches really nice. Oh, that was weird. It just ripped. I've never seen this thing rip before. Yeah. It's really good. I like it. Oh, let's check if it swirls. Ready? I usually do like a couple of like the twists. So far I did 2, now 3, now 4, now 5, and now let's go. Ooh, very nice swirl. Yeah. On to the next one. So this is a white slime, and it's in a baggie because I didn't have any containers at the time. But I just found one so I could put it in here. But it is melted. It is glue. It is pure melted. So just gonna clean this bowl out, and same thing that I did with the other 2 slimes. Okay, I didn't really film me doing my activator because it's just the same thing that I've been doing for the other 2 slimes, so it wasn't that interesting, but I figured it to get somewhat there. Has good pokes, just like the others. Stretches nice. Doesn't do very good cracking, but it does crack. And the swirls. Bad swirls. This slime, I don't really care. It's just a slime. So this does not fill the whole container, but if I find another slime that could work in here, and then I could put this in a different one, I probably will do that, but yeah. Okay, the next slime that I'm going to be showing you is a giant slime smoothie. It's so big, it takes up 2 containers. This one's from a Dylan's Candy Bar shop, and I went there. It was so awesome there. You just have to go there. And there, I think, twice. It is so good. It is the best. So it's just like a bunch of candy. So it's a huge slime smoothie of just, yeah. It's like my unicorn slime smoothie. And I put it in this container because it's the Dylan's Candy Bar, and it's like a candy mixture, that glitter that sinks inside. Same with this. This is just my extras of this. But yeah, let's put it in a bowl. So it filled up a lot of the container with only one of it, and I still have this one to go, my Dylan's Candy Bar one. So let's start another time lapse. Look at how big this slime is. This is like one slime, and well, it's a bunch of slimes mixed together to make one slime. But let's just like add the tide, and we're gonna need a lot for this. No, we're gonna need a lot more. Look at how good this slime turned out. I'm so proud of it. So happy how this turned out. Oh, I love it. It's so big, and oh, I love the color. I love like the add-ins that I put in. It's just like a fluffy slime. It's not regular. I love fluffy slimes, and this is a fluffy slime, so that means I love the slime. I love it so much. I could play with this for hours and never get bored. Let's blow some bubbles. So that completes my slime makeover, and I'm just gonna show you what slimes we completed once more. We'll start off with first to last. Start off with this blue one. It just has a slime cushion at the top. When you open it up, it's like a blue river dolphin. I'm so bad at naming slimes. I need you guys to help me name them. Like, I don't know what to name this. Like, river doll? I don't know. That sounds really good. But like, I have to go eat my breakfast, so I'm gonna try to wrap this up quick. What do we do next? I think we did the black one or the white one. I don't know. We'll do the black one, but we might have done the white one first. And it was a black one just like this, and it was like way melted. Sorry about the sliding. Next, we did the white one, and I moved it to the Dylan's Candy Bar one, so you'll see where I put the other one. I did that. It's just the white one. The white one. And I don't really like the white one, but I might dye it in a different video and like, do I have slime on my face? I'm sorry if I do, but just don't mind that. And we cannot close this. It's fine, I'll do it later. Then this one, the big unicorn one, I put it in this big Ziploc container. I love this one. This is my favorite slime of all times. It's so stretchy. It's so big. It's just so good. Oh, and real quick, I want to show you. I made 4 slimes yesterday. Well, I made one big slime, and I split into 4 parts, 4 tiny parts. So I got this, and they're actually really good. But it was yesterday night. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do, because that's how I know that you guys like this video. Comment down below if you'd like to see a part 2 to this video. Also subscribe, because yeah, so you can see other videos, and press the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And what else? Oh yeah, go watch the comparison challenge that I did with my cousin Kaden. It was a comparison challenge, and it got over 1,000 views. I'm really proud of that, and you guys are wondering why there's metal on my teeth. It's my retainer, don't worry. So yeah, go check out that video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification on, comment down below what you want to see in the future, and if you want to see a part 2 to this video. And without further ado, I will see you guys next time, and peace out. Bye.